Hello everyone, this is my first video of how to turn newspapers into bookmarks. So here you have a regular newspaper bookmark, and then I have one made out of magazine. And the way that you do that is first, you're going to want to start out with a stack of newspapers. And if you measure them, the dimension is about 6 by 2 inches. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your first newspaper. You're going to fold it in half. You're going to open it up. You're going to fold over one side to meet that middle line, the other side to meet the other one, and then you're going to fold it over just like this. Then fold it in half and open it, and that will allow you to have a crease in the middle so you know what amount is halfway to create your first piece. So I'm just going to lay this to the side. It's okay if it comes undone, we'll fix that later. Then to continue the chain, you're going to need another piece. Personally, I like to find colorful magazines if I'm going to do one of the magazine ones. If I'm going to do the newspaper, I like to find the comic section. It just makes it more fun. You can get comic books. There's so much that you could do with this. Basically, just have fun with it. This is actually similar to the process that they do to make those chip bag purses. And that's how I actually came to figure out how to do this. Then you're going to put the two together, so you have to find the little holes, kind of separate it a little bit. Put the other one in, and you have your first set. So basically you're going to just keep making more of those, and then the next one you'll put through here so that you'll have a zigzag. So the finished product will look like this. And then what I do is I'll take a piece of tape and I'll wrap it around here, clip it off, and then here to keep the pieces from sliding off. So that is how you make a newspaper bookmark.